In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Files by Google. When it's ready, open it. Then choose Continue. Click Allow and tap on this switcher next to allow access to all files. When you finished, click Clean at the bottom left corner. Select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by tapping on Clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!